feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feeling.
Happy Sunday, guys. So I'm in church. I'm late. Oh God, stress is restricting me. I can't even move my hands. Yeah, but I'll be fine. Let's go to church. I hear this song. Guys, I don't know why this rain is falling everywhere. I'm going for my work barbecue. Oh, it's not a barbecue again, it's pizza, but still. Yeah, but it's raining. Let's go. Anyways, we got here late, so the pizza was done. My chest. Everybody just got here to chill. Me, I just grabbed some things I'll need. So we came to Casamiya to eat since we missed the pizza. Yeah, let's go. So we came to get pizza here. I've never been to this place, but let's see what's going on inside. So inside, and I like this spot. Oh, why did I think that was a boot?
I didn't think it was a boot. That's why I was like, let's go.
This is the menu. That looks good. Oh, this rib steak. Ooh. I want steak. Yeah, for now. Ah, Jesus. This looks so good. Oh, not this. Drink is here. Leaving, I got my pizza, 2 slices, bust. Thank you. Oh my God, this rain don't want to stop the whole day. Like, why is it raining all day? Ah, this mirror is just kidding. Okay, guys, I don't know when we'll be done, but like,
I think they're making rain for rain.
probably till like 4 p.m. It's raining right now. I'm wearing like full kit.
Didn't take the record.
Well, yeah, probably. So guys, you have to wear these glasses now. I don't know, it's giving. I don't know what you guys think, but I'll be rocking this for sure because it's cute. Anyways, my break is almost over. I'm just chilling. I'm eating my snacks. I've almost finished everything, but I still have some left. I have 5 minutes more on my break. Hi guys. Ow. You guys, I'm tired. Today I think we're working to 7 p.m. from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. I'm tired. My brain. My break is almost over, so I'm just sleepy, but I can't close my eyes because I can't sleep while on duty. Anyways, bye guys. This week no enjoyment for me. I work again today. Done. I just had to come out because I cannot die. The stress of work is killing me, you guys. Cynthia, I don't know why I want.
I don't really try that still. I tried that
$15?
one.
No, $70 in this place.
That
Cocktails here. Hi guys. Woo. So we're going shopping for the party, and now we get things when we used to cook and the other party stuff. So let's go.
orange. And this one
Yeah, it's
and
fancy.
small.
Mm.
So
Then I think we should get like those other cheaper ones to mix with it. Oh yeah. Sabi? There you go. It's working. You guys, we are at this park that I've never been to. And of course I'll swim. I want to go to that slide place, but I don't know. I don't even know. I'm not seeing at this point. I'm not seeing me. Who is in front of me? My inner child is happy. I feel like Beyonce. My hair is just flowing with the wind. Oops. You guys, I'm dyeing my hair again. Let's try this time. I said this one works for dark hair, so we are praying. I'm ready. So I'm putting the magenta dye in the container. I'll put the other magenta half, then the whole hot red. Yeah, let's see how we go. I'll show you guys the result because I don't have space on my phone. Yeah, so I'm done. So I'm about to wash the dye off my hair. Looks dark. So I added whitener to my hair and left it for too long. That is light, really light, lighter than what I want it to be. But it worked. Let me wash it and see. Morning, guys. So today is the day of the party. And you know we'll be vlogging throughout today, so I even need to clear my phone for space. Yup. Anyways, we're going out to get the last ingredients for the party because we need to cook. We have never started cooking, but it's like 8 something right now. So yeah, we're just going to Walmart, get all what we need and just run last minute errands. This is the door. No? How come? 2 doors, but one is blocked.
oh,
Welcome to the store, you guys. I just love it. What am I? I'm not doing anything. So our party don't cancel today. We came to eat breakfast, but we have not eaten since morning. Then we're going to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Yeah, so let's try this new place first. Then we go and prep for the beach. And I won't record. Like G-Wagon, you mean? 200, 300 line. It's crazy. I feel like it's really good. Maybe that's why they say line. I used to be me. I go where I'm over. It looks really good. The menu. Oh, that looks good. Thank you.
you're not sure
Now
if
it's
fighting
good.
over this or
This looks so good, guys. Ooh. Oh my god, that steak looks good. I can't finish it. I'll take it too. So I came to buy braiding hair. They're open. Thank God for my hair. I'm braiding tomorrow. Tomorrow. Please tell me it's open. Oh, sure. I got just 3, guys, because my hair is not even that full in the first place. So this should be enough. I'm praying it to be enough. I don't have Apple Music on my phone. We just arrived. The back or the top? Don't press enough. We have arrived. We got lost how many times? 2 times or 3 times? Yeah. So we're going to the beach now. We're here, guys. This place took us a while to find.
Mysteriously.
I know, right? Oh, I wonder what's up there. Yeah, sand already. God, I beg. Yeah, this walk is not easy. I see a yellow slippers. Oh my God. Oh my God. Brackley Beach. This is the name of the beach. Not you. We're setting her up. Yeah. So don't want to go to the water. Doing aesthetic like. We're here. I needed just lay in the sun and tan. I need to take this off. It's hot. Here's what we brought. That don't for you. Done taking pictures. Oh. Barefoot. You guys, I want to try to flip. Wish me luck.
I just what?
To flip. That was an epic fail. I tried to do it without getting it. I did it. I don't care. I did it. Oh, she was. Let me see what I even did. Take 2. Let's go again. Guy, my wig fell off. That would be my intro.
Oh God, that is crazy.
Oh my God, I don't see. All those Oyibo they look like. But it just come up for our head. They look like they are finished. Like what if it is especially smoking like I'm scammed. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to reach out to me for your brand deals and collaboration.